Steroids grow muscle, but can they also grow organs like the heart and liver too? Yes, according to one recent study, bodybuilders who use gear often have distended guts due to larger than normal organs. This condition is known scientifically as visceromegaly. However, what exactly causes the growth of the organs has not yet been fully determined. Currently, there are 3 theories. The first is that the organ growth is due to their high protein intake. Yes, some people actually believe this. The second theory is that it's due to growth hormone abuse. And a third theory is that the anabolic steroids they're using is causing the organ growth. So to test these theories, researchers performed MRI scanning on the skeletal muscles and organs of 15 bodybuilders who regularly use performance-enhancing drugs, and 15 bodybuilders who are drug-tested natural athletes, and 15 healthy, recreationally active subjects to serve as a control group. They reported that the natural bodybuilders had organs that were similar in size to the controls. However, the bodybuilders using performance-enhancing drugs had hearts, livers, kidneys, and spleens that were up to 52% larger than the controls and the natural bodybuilders. Both bodybuilder groups consumed the same amount of protein, which was around 1.25 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. So we can rule out protein from causing the organ growth. And only 20% of the enhanced bodybuilders were using growth hormone. While growth hormone does likely cause organ growth, it appears that it's not the only performance-enhancing drug to do so. Otherwise, the oversized organs would only have been seen in the 3 bodybuilders that were using growth hormone. Yet larger organ size was seen in all the enhanced bodybuilders, even those that were only using anabolic steroids but not growth hormone. So if you're using steroids, you may want to be cautious of potential organ growth, which not only looks bad, but may be a warning sign that your organs are not healthy. The bodybuilders using gear also had significantly higher resting heart rates and blood pressure than both the natural bodybuilders and the controls, suggesting that something's already amiss with their health. Now, it's hard to say what dose of steroids will cause this and whether or not TRT, testosterone replacement therapy, which is steroids, guys, will also cause similar organ growth. Only time will tell. Tag someone who's using steroids.